Okay. Oops. Alright, here comes Bub. Okay. Oh, takes the curb. Let's see if I can get in front of you. Alright, big boy, do your stuff. I don't think I'm going to be able to stay in front of you. And there he goes. Oh, crap. Oh, my. Mama just chased you all the way down the block. Mama's gonna have to get a bike. You all set? Okay. There you go. Good job. Remember, you gotta use your brakes on top. You okay? The furthest you've ever come on a bike. Is your tag bothering you? Let's see your smiling face. You gonna sing? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, you're gonna have to go down in the road for a minute. They're building a house. Yeah. Alright, I guess you didn't have to go in the road. Oh crap, you're going down a hill. Oh jeez. You gotta learn how to use these hand brakes. Okay, right here. There you go. Hi! Andrew, can you say hi? Hi, yeah. Hi. We gotta go slow down the hill. You know, we're gonna turn right here. Okay. Here we go. Are you stuck? Gotta push. Oh, it's a lot of work riding a bike. Taking a break? Are you just adjusting? Look at you go, big boy. Yeah. Okay, let's wait right here. There's a car. Let's wait right here. Yeah, wait for cars. Okay, let's go up on the sidewalk. All the way up over here. Come on. There you go. Okay. Can you make it up there? Push. Let's see. Okay, you can do it. Come on. Whoa, you're going backwards. Push. Push. There you go. You can do it. Love that helmet. There you go. Oh boy. Oh boy. Are you singing? Yeah. Okay, here we go. Okay, let's get you across. Boom. Okay, let's see what you do. Woo, good job taking that curb. Oh, you're gonna give Mama some exercise. Holy cow, slow down. Use the brakes, not your feet. Use your brakes, right here. Use these. Your nose. Yeah. You like your new helmet? You got a nice red helmet. Matches your bike. Yeah. Are you taking a break? Start up again. Okay, watch this curve here. Oh, no, we're not gonna go down the hill. We're not gonna go down the hill. Oh, hold on.